How to use the color grading panel in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and switch to the color workspace at the bottom of the screen. This is where all the color grading tools are located. You will see a variety of panels like nodes, wheels, curves, and scopes. Next, start with the primary color wheels. These are lift, gamma, gain, and offset. Use lift to adjust shadows, gamma for midtones, gain for highlights, and offset to change the overall tone of the image. Move each wheel slightly and observe how it affects your footage. Then, use the scopes panel to monitor your color levels. The parade and waveform scopes help ensure your exposure and color balance are accurate. This step is important to avoid overexposure or color clipping. After that, switch to the curves panel for more detailed adjustment. The custom curve allows you to fine-tune contrast by controlling luminance across the image. You can also use the hue versus hue or hue versus shade curves to target specific colors without affecting the whole image. Now, if you want to create a cinematic look, try using the color wheels alongside LUTs. You can load a LUT from the LUTs folder and adjust the strength by reducing the node key output. This gives a stylized effect while keeping control over your final look. Finally, make sure to use nodes effectively. Add new serial nodes to separate corrections like exposure, white balance, and a stylized look. This keeps your grading organized and easier to tweak later. And that's it. Now you know how to use the color grading panel in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.